Students, how are you? Today we'll explain from student's book, Mathematics, second term in this year 2026. Look at with me about first lesson, about student's book. We will talk about proportional between two quantities and also find the ratio. We studied before the ratio to comparing between two quantities which has the same units. Like we can find the ratio between two quantities like about 5 kilogram and 5,000 gram. To find the ratio in the simplest, you must write the two units in the same. Convert from kilogram to gram product by 1,000. So first lesson here, we talk about properties of proportion. Look at with me about the book. I will explain all lessons from the book in this year, second term. First, if E over B equal over C, we called it or 2 equal AC, because B here we called it the median and AC is the external. Okay, product of extremes equal product of means. A and C we have called it extremes, and B and B we called it the means. The product of extremes equal product of means. We will study this also in next time. First lesson talk about four quantities like this. If we have E and B and C and D are four quantities, there is a ratio between first and second equal ratio between third and fourth. Like quantities A, B, C, D are side to proportional. If E over B equals C over D, E is called the first proportional and B is the second proportional, and also C is the third proportional and D is called the first proportional. Like this example, we have 4 and 6, 10 and 15, we called it proportional because 4 over 6 equal 10 over 15. If we write 4 times 15 equivalent to 6 over 10, then the product of extremes equal product of means. And also the numbers 2, 7, 4, 21 are not proportional because 2 over 7 not equivalent to 4 over 21, not proportional. So the product of extremes equal product of means. You must know these properties. We have two examples here, solution. I want to see the steps. Now I will explain number one here. He won't find the third proportional for 12, 28, 35. First question here, I will explain how to find the answer by write the ratio between first 12 over 18. He won't find the third proportional here. The third I will write x. Okay, 12 over 28 equal x over 35. And the value of x equal 12 times 35 over 18. You can use calculator to find the answer or simplest. 18 divided by 6 equal 3, and 12 divided by 6 equal 2. Then we have 2 times 35 over 3. Or you can use calculator to find the answer. This number was 28, okay, not 18. It's 28. Then again, I will simplify 28 divided by 7 equal 4, and 35 divided by 7 equal 5. Then 12 divided by 4 equal 3. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. Then 3 times 5 equal 15. Then the third will be 15. Okay? Third proportional will be 15. Next question number 2. If the quantities 12, 21, 7, A, 9A, 48 are proportional, find the value of A. Okay, we can find the ratio here about first over second equals third over fourth. Then 21 over 7A is equivalent to 9A over 48. Then product of extremes equal product of means. 7A times 9A equals 36A power 2. 21 product by 48. Now we found A power 2 by write 21 product by 48 divided by 36. Use calculator, or you can simplify by your mind. Divided by 2 equal 1. 36 divided by 2 equal 18. This 21. Okay, again this 21 not 2. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. And 36 divided by 3 equal 12. 48 divided by 12 is 4. 4 times 7 equal 28. Then the answer will be 21 product by 48 divided by 36. The result will be 28. Now we can find the value of A here. A will be equal positive or negative square root of 28, it will be positive or negative. We know 28 equal 4 times 7, and the result will be positive or negative 2 square root of 7. Okay, this is the value of A. Next example here, example number 2, he solved the question, he won't find the answer about question here, solution number 2. Look at this example, okay, and the steps here about solution. Now I will explain solution number 2 here, okay. Solution number 2, he want to prove that x over y equals 3 over 5 if we have two quantities equivalent. We know the product of extremes equal product of means. We have 2x plus 3 over 2x minus 3, it's equal to 2y plus 5 over 2y minus 5. Then the product of extremes equal product of means, okay. You can write 2x minus 3 product by 2y plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 3 product by 2y minus 5. Okay, and then we can simplest 2x times y, it will be 2x, 2 times 2 equal 4, right? 4 xy. 2x times 5, it will be 10x. Negative 3 times 2y, negative 6y. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. 2x times y, it will be 2 times 2, 4, 4xy. And 2 times 5 equal 10, negative 10y, x. We have 2x times negative 5, right, negative. 2 times 5 equal 10, right, x. And then 3 product by 2y first, it will be 6y. And 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Now I will simplify negative 15 by negative 15, 0. Move here. And 4xy, subtract 4xy equals 0. Then we have 10x minus 6y equal negative 10x plus 6y. Move negative 6y with 6y, right? 6y plus 6y equal negative 10xy. We have negative 10x plus 10x. Then we have 20x equal 12y. Then we can write the ratio between x and y. X here product by 20 and y product by 12. Then you can simplify by divided by 12 numerator and numerator here to simplest. Divided numerator and numerator by 4. Then result will be 3 and here 5. Then x over y equals 3 over 5. Okay, solution about this example, about solution number 2. Understood? Next, solution number 3. First, you can read this example here. Number 3 was solving by both left hand side equal right hand side. We solve solution number 3 first. Give me A, B, C, D are proportional quantities, prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Okay, this question. First, if A, B, C, D proportional, then we can write the ratio A over B equal C over D equal M, and M equal not equal 0 constant. In the value of A will be product by M, and C equal D product by M. Then start from left hand side. Left hand side we have 4b plus 7d over 4a plus 7c. It's left hand side, okay? And right hand side equal 5b minus 8d over 5a minus 8c. We can write 4 times b, b constant down, 4p, plus 7 times d, d was constant also, write d here. 4 times a was bm, then we have 4 pm, plus 7 times c, c was dm, 7 dm. Next I will write height factor down. We have m was repeated, then we have 4p plus 7d over m product by 4b plus 7dm divided by m equals 7d. Then we can samples cancel together, the result will be 1 over m. And here right hand side 5p subtracted by 8d over 5 times a was 5bm, 5am subtracted by 8c, 8 product by c was dm. Now our right hand factor down was m was repeating and numerator the same here, 5p minus 8d over m product by 5p subtract by 8dm divided by m equal dm, or 8d divide this term by m equal 8d. Now I will express sample the result to 1 over m. The left hand side equivalent to right hand side, they are equivalent, okay, because result together equal 1 over m, they are equivalent. Think and discuss if a over b equals c over d. Can you swap the extremes and get proportion discussed? We know the product of extremes equal product of means. Okay, next question. Okay, listen to me, proportional here. If a over b equals c over d, then we can write a over or write b over a equals d over c. You can write the reciprocal here also, the properties like this. Self-evolution, I will solve number 4. This question will solve. Okay, number 4 here, self-evolution. You want to prove that product between two expressions equal 1. Okay, he give me if 2 over c equals 3 over b equal 4 over a, we can write the reciprocal about this fraction properties. Right here, c over 2 will be equal to b over 3 equal a over 4. We can raise the constant here k and k not equal 0. Then c will be equal 2k and b equal 3k, and we have here this was a, okay, a equal 4k. Okay, then we have in the example a plus c over c product by b minus c over p equal what? We can put here the value of a was 4k, e2 the value of c equal 2k over c product by b subtract by c, b was 3k subtract by c was 2k over b was 3k. Then 4 plus 2 equals 6, 6k over c was 2k, right, 2k down, and up here 3k minus 2k equal k, 3k down. You can simplify, then the result here 6 over 2 equal 3 product by 1 over 3, then the result will be 1. Okay, then we prove that the answer here equal 1 about this question number 4. Understood? You can read this example by yourself to know the steps about this question. Now I will explain the properties here. Also, if we have a over b equals c over d equal ef, we can use a constant here k. If we add the sum of antecedent over sum of consequent equal 1 of the ratio. So properties to find the answer of any example about proportional. Look at example number 5. You can read it yourself, and I will solve self-evolution number 5 now. Okay, self-evolution number 5, we have a over 3 was equal to b over 4 is equivalent to c over 5, equivalent to 4a plus mp plus 5c over 25. How we can solve the example? We can solve example by two methods. First method, I will put here equal k and k constant net equals 0 here. First step, I will write the value of a equals 3 product by k. Okay, a will be equal 3 product by k, and b will be equal 4 product by k, and c equal 5 product by k. Okay, then we can find the value here about this expression. But the value of a equals 3k. 3k times 4 equal 12k, and m product by b. The value of b was 4k. 4k times m, it will be 4mk plus 5 product by c. The c here equal 5k. 5 times 5 equal 25k over 25. Okay, the value will be equivalent to k. Understood? I put the value of a and b and c here in 6 expressions, the answer equal k. Now I will use the product of strings equal product of means. 25 times k, it will be 25k. 12 plus 4, we can collect 12k plus 25k. You can collect together. The result will be 37k plus 4mk. Now I will divide it by k because k is a constant not equal 0. Divided by k, then we have 37 plus 4m equal 25. We can divide it by k about 3 terms. Then 4m equivalent to 25 subtract by 37. So 4m equivalent to the difference between two numbers, right? Negative, and 7 minus 5 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. Now I will divide by 4 coefficient of m. Then m equal negative 3. We found here the value of m would be negative 3. Okay, you can use any method as you like to find the answer here about this example like this, or I will solve the example by another method. What another method here? The another method here, I will product, cancel k here. Okay, I will solve by another method. What another method here? Another method, I will product, look at here 4a, 4 product numerator and numerator, 3 times 4 equal 12. And also m product numerator and numerator, add m product by b plus 4 product by m. And 5 times c over 5 times 5 is 25, equal 1 of the ratio. Okay, the result equal 1 of the ratio. Now I will write this number equivalent this because this is 1 of the ratio. The numerator equal numerator, the numerator equal denominator. Then 12 plus 4m plus 25 down equal 25. You can cancel 25 by 25. Then 4m equivalent to negative 12 divided by 4. Then the value of m equal negative 3. Okay, understood? Next question, number 6. We have question number 6 was solution here. Okay, you can read the example about properties to find the answer. Now I will explain next question here, self-evaluation number 6. The figure here we have trapezoid, right angle trapezium. Okay, and parameter equal 36. Look at here, parameter was 36 centimeter about trapezium. Okay, we know the parameter about any figure, sum of outlier sides. We can add outlier sides here. M E2, look at here about the figure, plus y plus x plus n. The summation was 36. He gave me the parameter was 36. Then x plus y plus m plus n equals 36. And also he gave me the relation here, such that x equal to 15y equal to 20m equal to 12n. Okay, now we can sample this by divided by height common factor between all numbers, 12, 20, 15, 10. We can divide it by 60. Divided each one of them by 60. And then simplest, we can write x over 6 equal y over 60 divided by 15 equal 4. Write m 60 divided by 23, and write n over 60 divided by 12 is 5. I will put here the constant equal k, and k constant net equal 0. And the value of x equal 6k, and the value of y equal 4k, and the value of m equal 3k, and the value of n equal 5k. Then we can write in this relation m plus y plus x plus n equals 36. We can collect together. M was 3k plus y was 4k, x was 6k, n was 5k. The summation 36. Now 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 5 equal 18, 18k is 36. In the value of k, 36 divided by 18 equal 2. It's the value of k. Now I will find the value of x. X will be 6 times the value of k. 6 times 2 is 12. And y equal 4 times 2 equal 8. And the value of m equal 3 times 2 is 6. and the value of n, 5 times 2 equal 10. Okay, in the solution about this number. Okay, understood? Now I will solve next question. This one is an assessment. Okay, pay attention with me about each one. First question here: x over x equal y over 10. What is the value of x over y? You can write antecedent divided by antecedent equal consequent over consequent. Then you can write here x over y is equivalent to consequent here 6 over 10. And then you can simplify by divided by 2 numerator and denominator. 6 divided by 2 equal 3, 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Then we have 3 over 5. Choose letter C. Next question number 2. If a over b equal 2 over 7, what is the value of 2b over 7a? We have a over b was equal to 2 over 7. So he won't product by 2 by b, then here we know 2b equivalent to 7a. If we divide it together, the product of strings equal product of means. Then if we divided 2b by 7a, the result will be 1. Okay, choose letter C here. Next question number 3. What is the second proportional for the numbers 6 or 4, 6, 12? We can write the second equal x. You will find the second. 4 over x here is the second, equals 6 over 12. In the value of x equal 4 times 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 equal 2. 2 times 4 equal 8. Then the value of x equal 8. Then the second here will be 8. It shows letter B. Next question. 5x minus 3y equals 0. Then 5x will be equal 3y. We can find the ratio between x and y. X over y equal x here product by 5 and y product by 3. X product by 5 and y product by 3. Then the ratio 3 over 5. Next question number 5. If a over b equals c over d equal 2 over 3, then a plus c over b plus d will be the same answer, 2 over 3, because the answer it will be the same ratio. What is the ratio like 2 over 3? It's properties about proportional. If we add numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, then the result will be the same answer, right? Over 3. Next question here. If a over b equal okay, if a over 5 equal b over 3, we can write here the constant equal k and k not equal 0. Then the value of a equal 5k and the value of b equals 3k. Now he won't find the value of a plus b over a minus b. You can write the answer a plus b, collect together 5k plus 3k equal 8k, and a minus b 5k minus 3k, right? 8k over 5 minus 3 equal to 2k. Then the result will be 4. Next question. 3a equal to 6b equal c, and the ratio between e to b to c equal, we can divide it by least multiplication between 3 numbers. We have 3a was equal to 6b equal to 8c. We can divide it on numbers by least multiplication between 8, 6 and 3 to be 24. Okay, write 24 here, and then simplest 24 divided by 3 equal 8. 24 divided by 6 equal 4. 24 divided by 8 equal 3. Then the ratio between a, b to c it will be 8 to 4 to 3. Choose letter C. Number 8. We have a over 3 equivalent to b over 4. Okay, a over 3 is equal to b over 4. What is the value of 3a subtracted by b over b minus a? We can put here constant equal k and k not equal 0. Then the value of a will be equal 3k. Okay, the value of a here will be equal 3k and b equal 4k and k not equal 0. Then the value of this expression I will write down here 3 product by a, 3 times 3 equal 9, 9k, subtracted by b 4k over b minus ab equal 4k minus a was 3k. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. 5k and 4k minus 3k equal k. Then the answer will be 5. Next question down here. Number 9. He give me this information. A over c plus a minus b equal b over a plus b minus c equals c over b plus c minus a. Then each ratio equal what? We want to find the ratio. We can add numerator by numerator and numerator by denominator. About properties, too simple is the answer. If we add the antecedent together and consequent together, then we can get here. Up we have a plus b plus c, and down c plus a minus b plus a plus b minus c plus b plus c minus a. We can cancel here together, and negative c, positive c, and we have up a plus b plus c, and numerator we have a minus b with minus b, and we have a plus b plus c plus b plus c. Okay, then the result will be 1 equals the same ratio. Then the answer will be letter D. Choose letter D here. Next question, number 10. If m minus n equals 6, 3 over m equal 5 over n. What is the value of m? Okay, we have here 3 over m. You can write reciprocal. Reciprocal here about this fraction, m over 3 will be equal to n over 5. We can write here constant k, and the k not equal 0. Then the value of m equals 3 product by k, and the n product equal 5 by k. Now we have m minus n equal 6. But the value of m equals 3k, subtracted by the value of n equals 5k equals 6. 3k minus 5k equal negative 2k equals 6. We can divide it by negative 2, then the value of k equal negative 3. We have value of k. Okay, he want to find what? M. Then the value of m equal 3 product by value of k. Value of k equal negative 3. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Then the answer here will be letter C, negative 9. Next question. Find the value of x that makes each of the following number proportional. Number 1. We have 4 product by 10. The product of extremes 4 by 10 equal 5 times x. The product of extremes equal product of means. And the value of x will be equal 40 divided by 5 equal 8. The value of x equal 8. Next question, number 2. We have x product by 60. X by 60 equal 20 times 30. We can simplify this by divided by 60 here. We cancel here. And the result will be 10. The value of x here equal 10. Number 3. We have here 2, 7, 5 and x over 2 proportional. Then the first, the product of extremes 2 product by x over 2 equal product of means 7 times 5. Then the value of x equals 35. Next question, number 4. X over 2 divided by 7 over x equal 3x over 2 product by or divided by 7 over 3. Or you can product extremes, the product of extremes x over 2 product by 7 over 3, the product of extremes here, okay? Product extremes together equal product of means. The product of means 7 over x product by 3x over 2. You can simplify it. You can 7 divided by 7 equal 1, and x divided by x equal 1, 2 divided by 2 equal 1, 3 divided by 3 equal 1. In the value of x here equal 1. The value of x will be 1. Understood? Half, and here's 7. 3 over 2, we can simplify 3 by 3, half, and 7. And then the value of x will be 1. Okay, next question, number 2. Find the number which, if added to each of the numbers 12, 7, 12, 11, 18, then become proportional number. We can put the number here equal x. That let number here equal x. Then if we add x by 7 and x by 12, it's equivalent to 11 plus x and 18 plus x. Now we can use here the properties. The product of extremes equal product of means and then simplest it. Look at here, I will write answer here. Look, I will product x plus 7 product by 18 plus x is equal to x plus 12 product by 11 plus x. Then the product of extremes x times 18 equal 18x. And x times x equal x power 2. And 7 times 18, you can use calculator to find the answer here. 7 product by 18 equal to 126. And then 7 times x equals 7x. Now here also 7 times 11, 11x. And x times x equal x power 2. And 12 times 11 equal 132. X and 12 times x equal 12x. Now x power 2 minus x power 2 equals 0. And then you can also simplify here. We have 11 or 18. 18x plus 7x is 25x. Plus 126 is equal to 11x plus 12x equal 23x. Plus 132. We can move here 25x minus 32. It will be 2x. And move here 132 minus 126. 12 minus x is 6. Then divided by 2 next step. 132 divided by 126 equals 6. Then divided by coefficient of x equal 2. Then the value of x equal 3. So the number will be 2. The number about this question will be 2. Understood? Question number 12. Question number 13. If x over y equal to 5, find the value of this expression in the simplest. Okay. Such that x over y equal 2 over 5. We can raise the ratio here 2 over 5. Put constant here m and m constant not equal 0. So the value of x will be equal to m and the value of y equal 5m. Now we can write 10x plus 3y over 5x plus 2y. 10 product by x, 10 times 2 equal 20. 3 times y is 15. And 5 times x, 5 times 2 equal 10. 2 times y, 2 times 5 equal 10. 20 plus 15 equals 35m. And we have 20m. Cancel and then divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 equal 4. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. So the ratio will be 7 over 4 is the value about its answer. Next question number 14. If we have A, B, C, D proportional quantities, prove that each of the following here. Prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Okay. Number 1. First step, such that A over B equals C over D. I will put here constant m. And A equal B product by m. And C equal D product by m. Okay. Start with me about left hand side here and right hand side. Now, left hand side we have A plus B over B. It's equal to the value of A equal Bm and the value of B equal B here constant down and B also. Okay, we can write B height factor between two terms up. Write B height factor Bm divided by B equal m and B divided by B equal 1 over B. We can cancel together, then the result will be m plus 1. And right hand side here C plus D over D. C was dm plus D over D. You can write D height factor dm divided by D equal m and D divided by D equal 1. Now we simplify, then the result equivalent here m plus 1. Then left hand side will be equal right hand side equal m plus 1. Understood, my students? This is question number 1. Question number 2, we can use this property also to prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Start from left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side about question number 2. We have A minus B over B equal the value of A was Bm minus the value of B is a B constant over B. Right, B height factor. Then we have A minus 1 over B then the answer will be m minus 1. On the right hand side we have c minus d over d. The value of c equal dm subtract by d over d. You can write d has cofactor. The result will be n minus 1. Then left hand side equal right hand side. Next question, number 3. We want to prove that a plus d over a minus b equal to c plus d over c minus d. We put a over b equals c over d equal constant m. The value of a equal bm and the value of c equal dm. And the m not equal 0. You can write here left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side we have a plus b over a minus b. And then simplest. The value of a was bm plus p over e minus b. E over equal bm minus p, be constant. Okay, then we have bm plus p. A plus b over e minus b. Okay, and right hand side c plus d. C was dm. Okay, I will sample this first. Now I will sample this. Pay attention with me. I will sample this. We can write b had cofactor, then we have m plus 1, and down b had cofactor, then we have m minus 1. Then the answer will be m plus 1 over m minus 1. And the right hand side, c plus d. C was dm plus d over c dm minus d. We can write d had cofactors, then we have m plus 1, and d down we have m minus 1. Then the result will be m plus 1 over m minus 1. The left hand side equal right hand side here. It's the same answer. Next question. Number 15. Left hand side equal right hand side proves that proportional. You can solve the example by product extremes by extremes and product of extremes equal product of means to solve the example, such as that we have a minus 2b here, product by 5 c plus d is equal to c minus 2d product by 5a plus b. Okay, product of extremes equal product of means. Then a times 5c equal 5 ac, and 5a times d will be ad. Right, negative 2 times 5 equal 10 pc, and negative here 2 times 1 equal 2, b times d equal bd. C times 5a equal 5ac, c times b equal cb. Negative here 2 times 5 equal 10 ad, and here negative 2 this d, yes, 2 db. Okay, negative 2 db. You have 2 db and 2 db, you can cancel together, and also we can cancel what 5 ac and subtract 5 ac equals 0. In the answer we have ad minus 10 bc equivalent to cb subtract by 10 ad. Now we can sample it. Look at here, we have ad subtract negative 10a above here, then we have ad plus 10 ad equal to cp plus 10 pc. 1 plus 10 11, then we have 11 ad, and here 11 cp. We can cancel 11 by 11, then e times d equals c times b. So we can find the ratio a over b. A product by d and b product by c. Then they are proportional. Understood? We prove by this method. Also, question number 16 like this idea. Product of extremes equal product of means, and then simple is to find the ratio a over b equals c over d. Such that we have 3a plus 4c product by 2b minus d equal to 2a minus c product by 3b plus 4d. 3a times 2b equals 6ab. 3a times d equal 3ad. 4c times this number, right? 4 times 2 equal 8cp. And right here negative 4 times 1 is 4c times d equals cd. And then 2a times 3b equal 6ab. And write positive 2 times 4 equal 8, 8ad. Negative c times 3b, negative 3cp. Negative times positive negative, c times 4d equal 4cd. Now I will cancel the similar about left hand side with right hand side. And 6ab also cancels. Then the result will be negative 3ad plus 8cb equivalent to 8ad subtracted by 3cp. Negative 3b move here, then we have 8cp plus 3cp equivalent to 8ad plus 3ad. Okay, now I will sample list. 8 plus 3 equal 11, relevance 3p, and 8 plus 3 equal 11 ad. Now we can cancel together, then cp equivalent to ad. So the ratio between a over b equals c over d here, okay? E over b equivalent to c over d, a times d and c times b, okay? Then the four quantities are proportional here in this example. This question number 16. Now I will move to next question number 17 here. If we have a plus 3p plus 3c over 3 equivalent to right hand side, what is the value of a over c? I can solve this also by this idea, by using the product of series equal product of means to simplest to find the ratio of a and c, okay? First step, we have a plus 3b plus 3c product by 4, okay? Product by 4 is equivalent to 3 product by here, no, is product of streams equal product of means. Okay, product up 3a plus 4b minus c. Then 4 times 8 will be 4a. 4 times 3 equal 12, 12b. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times c equal 3t. Now we can simplify here. Cancel together, we have similar. And then 4a plus 12c equal 9a minus 3c. Then 4a minus 9a, right? 9a minus 4a equal 12c plus 3c. Then the result will be 15c. 9a minus 4a equal 5a. Then the ratio between a over c, a product by 5 and c product by 15. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. Then the answer about this question will be 3. Now going to number 18. Find the value of z. To solve this example, you can put constant. X over 2 equal y over 4 equal z over 5 equal k. Then k here not equal 0. Then the value of x will be equal to k. And y equal 4k and z equal 5k, such that x plus y minus 2z equal 12. Put the value of x equal 2k, value of y equal 4k, 2 times z, 2 times 5 equal 10. 2 plus 4 6, 6 minus 10 is negative 4, negative 4k equal 12. And the value of k equal 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3. Then he won't find z. Then the value of z equal 5 product by value of k equal 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Then the answer here negative 15. Next question number 19. If a, b, c are positive, we have here positive numbers such that a to b to c equal 2 to 3 to 4 and a power 2 plus b power 2 plus c power 2 is 725. What is the value of a plus b minus c? First step, we can put here e equal here, value here 2. Look at the ratio a, b, c 2, 3, 4. Then the value of a equal 2m and the value of b equal 3m and the value of c equal 4m and m not equal 0. It's a constant such that we have e power 2 plus b power 2 plus c power 2 was equal to 725. We can put the value of a to m power 2. It will be 4m power 2 plus b power 2 equals 9m power 2 plus c power 2 equals 16m power 2. It's equivalent to 725. Now we can collect 4 plus 16 equals 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. 29m power 2 equals 725. 725 divided by 29 equivalent to 25. Then m power 2 is 25. So the value of m here in this example, it's a positive. Then m will be 5 only, not negative. We have two solutions, positive and negative, but he give me this information in the example are positive numbers. The value of m is 5. So I will write here the value of the answer about a and b and c. Then the value of a equal 2 times 5 equal 10. And the value of b 3 times 5 is 15. And the value of c equal 4 times 5 is 20. Now he won't find e plus b minus c here. The value of a was 10m or 10 plus b was 15 minus c was 20. Then we have 25 minus 20, the result will be 5. So the answer here will be 5. What is the value of this expression? We can solve this example by properties of proportional. If we add antecedent by antecedent and consequent by consequent, then the answer will be the same answer or the same ratio. Then first step to solve the example, you must add the antecedent by antecedent and consequent by consequent from 3 numbers. In the first step, by 8 antecedent and consequent of all 3 proportional. Then we can write x plus y. Why we do it? Because he means the example he won't find x plus y plus z. If you say x plus y plus z, you must add antecedent and a consequent of all proportional. Then I will add first by first and second by second and third by third. X plus z over 5. X plus z over 8. Then 7 plus 5, 12 plus 8 equal 20. X plus x equal 2x. We have x also 3x. Okay, we have 3x. Okay, 3x. Understood? X plus y plus z. Okay, we want x plus y plus z. We have x. No. Is this y? Sorry, this y. Then we have 2x and 2y and 2z. We can simplify by divided by 2 numerator and denominator. Then we have x plus y plus z over 10. The answer here will be equal each of one ratio. It's ratio number 1. And the ratio number 2, we have x minus z. Look at here, x minus z. How we can find x minus z? We must cancel y. So you must product the second proportional here, product by negative. If we product by negative here, numerator and denominator, then we can cancel y. I won't cancel y to find x minus z. So by product or by multiply, the second proportional by negative 1. Okay, my students, I will product. It's in here. I will product the second by negative 1. Then 8 antecedent and consequent between first and second. Then 8 first and second proportional. Then we can write x plus y. Look at here, x plus y and 7. I will product now by negative 5 about second. Then y will be negative y. Pay attention. And z, here z will be negative. Z here The second proportional will be negative. And down negative 5. Now we simplest. You can cancel negative by positive, and then we have x minus z over 2 equal each of one ratio. The relation number 2 from relation 1 and 2, they are equivalent. So x plus y plus z divided by 10 will be equal x minus z over 2. Then x plus y plus z over 5 equal x minus z over 1. We can simplest. So if we divide it together, x plus y plus z x plus y z over x minus z, the result will be what? 5. Then the answer here about this question will be 5. It's the value. Understood? Analyzing subject integration. Computer James. In the computer James, Omar, Khalid and Hamza scored 581 points together, such that 4 times Omar's points equals 5 times Khalid's points. We have 3 persons here. The score of the first Omar and Khalid and Hamza, the sum of them equal 581, such that 4 times Omar, points of Omar, equal 5 points of Khalid, and equals 7 times Hamza. We won't find the points obtained by each of them. Okay, we can solve the example by right. Okay, we can divide it by list multiplication between 4 and 5 and 7. 4 times 7, 20. 20 times 7 is 40. Or we can divide it by what? This don't divide it by 70. So we can 4 times 5, 20. 20 times 7, 140. Then we can divide it by 140 here, and divided by 140 divided by 140. Then we have the ratio between O refers to the points of Omar, okay? 4 and 140. We divided 140 divided by 4, the result will be 35. And 140 divided by 5 is 28. Okay? And 140 divided by 7, it will be 20. Okay? Then we can put here the constant m. Then O will be equal 35m, and K equal 28m, and H equal 20m. Now we will put in this relation the value of O, it will be 30m, 35m, plus the value of K equal 28m, the value of H equal 20m, the result will be 581. We can collect 0 plus 8 plus 5 equals 13. Carry 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2 equal 8. The result will be 581 here. Then the value of m equal 581 divided by 38. Okay, it will be 7. Right, 581 divided by 83. The result will be 7. This is the value of m here, it will be 7. So we can find the points of Omar. Where Omar was 35m. Then the points of Omar will be 7 times 35 equal 245 points. He take 245 points Omar. And Khalid 28 times 7. It will be 196 points. This Khalid. And Hamza 7 times 20, 140 points. If we add 140 plus this number, it will be 581, the sum of all points. It's correct, okay? Number 2, 22, landscape. We can solve this example by thinking we have 2 triangles here, right angle triangles. Look at here, we have right angle triangle. We have 15 meter and here 20 meter. We can find this line segment from hypotenuse about Pythagoras theorem. 20 power 2 plus 15 power 2, 625. Square root of it will be 25. And inside we have right angle triangle. We can put here x and y, okay? And this 15. This is a ratio between 15 over x, or x over 15 equal y over 20 equal 25 equal 15, or 15 over 25. I will put here the constant equal k, but I first simplest 15 over 25 divided by 5 numerator and denominator. Divided by 5. Okay, my students, first step I found the answer here from Pythagoras theorem. Okay, then divided by 5 equal 3, divided by 5 equal 5. Then I can find x equal 15 product by 3 divided by 5, and the value of y 20 times 3 over 5. The product of extremes equal product of means. We can sample 15 divided by 5 equal 3, 3 times 3 9. 20 divided by 4, 4 times 3 is 12. Then we have x and y. And the two dimensions will be 9 meter and 12 meter. Two dimensions about this triangle. Next question, creative thinking. Give me the relation here between three sides in triangle. ABC triangle whose parameter is 61. It's meaning x plus y plus z is 61. And x reduced by 8 centimeter, z reduced by 4, and the side y reduced by 15. This has become proportional. Ratio 3, 5, 8. Okay. If we have x reduced by 8 and z respectively, شايف, okay, z minus 4 or z minus 4 over 5 equal y minus 15 over 8. Okay, and this information we can add numerator by numerator and numerator by numerator by adding antecedent and consequent of three ratios. Okay, so to solve the example we can write by add. There is the steps with me here. By adding antecedents and consequence of three ratios. If we add numerator by numerator and numerator by numerator, write x minus y, x plus z plus y, or write x minus y plus z minus 4 plus y minus 15 over 3 plus 5 plus 8. Write x plus y plus z, negative 8 and negative 4 equal negative 12. Negative 12 x plus y plus z, we have negative 8 and negative 4, negative 15. Negative 8 and negative 4, negative 12. Negative 12 plus 15, negative 25. 27. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Understood? He gave me this information. X plus y plus z was 61. You can put 61 here. The answer will be equal any ratio. 4 and 8, not subtract. Come here again the example. And the list seat reduced by 4 also. Length y increased by 15. Length y increased by 15, not decreased. Okay, so you can replace here this positive. Negative 8 plus 4, negative 12 plus 15 is 3. Then we have here plus 3. Then 61 plus 3, it will be 64 over 16. Look at this, my students. Look at here, positive, not negative, because it increased, not decreased. The answer will be x plus y plus z plus 3, because negative 8 plus negative 4, negative 12 plus 15 equal 3. Then 61 plus 3 over 16. We have 64 over 16 equal 4. Then the answer here will be 4. To find the value of x, then x minus 8 will be equal 3 times 4 equal 12, then the value of x will be 20. And also z minus 4 equal 5 times 4 is 20. In the value of z it will be 24. And y minus 15 will be equal, look at here, y minus 15 equal 8 times 4 equals 32. In the value of y equals 32 plus 15. You can collect together. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 3 plus 1 equal 4. Understood? We have 20, x 20, and z will be 24. He won't find what? He won't find base of AB. AB here was z. AB z. Z will be 24. Then AB will be 24 centimeter. Okay. Next example down. It's the last question, my students. Okay, goodbye.